Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your GPU preferences for applications back to default settings on your Windows computer. So preferences can be adjusted to either prioritize graphic settings or to save on battery life. So I'm going to show you guys just how to go about resetting it if you have customized settings you've done in the past. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select display, and then you want to go down and select graphics underneath related settings. So go ahead and select that. And now if there's any apps that you've customized in this list, or if you just want to set back to default, just select it from the list here, and then you would select the reset button. So let's say, for example, we adjusted Microsoft Edge and we had it going off a high performance graphics preference. If you want to reset it back to default, just select the reset button, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.